Welcome to SolisCloud Services. This video will demonstrate how to use the remote control feature. How to use remote control feature. Please open the SolisCloud application. On the main interface of the application, select and enter the power station you have created. Click on Device. Then click on Inverter to view the inverter information. Click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then select Control Inverter to access the disclaimer page. After reading the disclaimer, if you choose to disagree, you will return to the previous screen and will not be able to use the control functions. Please read the disclaimer, then select Agree. Enter the account password for your current account, then click OK to access the inverter control interface. Click on Storage Mode to enter the Energy Storage Mode settings page. Click Self-Use, then click Save. After receiving the success prompt, click Got it. Click on Charging and Discharging slot to enter the charge and discharge settings page. You can set the strong charge and discharge time periods in segments. After confirming, click Save to complete the setup. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.